student ID is 2024681812.
Hi, my name is Nurina Biha binti Muhammad Johan and my ID number is 2024298418.
My name is Nur Anisha Dania binti Zulkifli. My ID number is 2024803716.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shafia binti Muhammad Zahid and my ID number is 2024215514.
Right now, I want to explain about compound interest. So, what is compound interest actually? So, compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous period. Compound interest also can be thought as interest on interest, and we make the sum grow at faster rate than simple interest, which is calculated on the principal amount. So, compound interest formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N, and formula interest charge is I equal to S minus P, and interest rate I equal to K over M. S stand for future value or accumulated amount. P stand for principal or face value, which is the amount that you borrow or the amount of money that you deposited or invested money. I stand for interest rate per period. K, the nominal rate. M stand for the number of time interest calculated in a year. And the last one but not least, T stand for term of length in a years.
Question part A1A. Based on the question, we need to find the future value of the investment. From the question, we find principal P for the first 10 years, which is 25,000 ringgit. Nominal interest rate K equals to 5.5%. Frequency of conversion M equals to 3. And interest period T equals to 10 years. And we will be using formula S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket to the power of N, which I equals to 0.055 divided by 3, and N equals to 3 multiplied with 10, which is 30. Then, we need to substitute all the information into the formula. And the amount of the end of the investment for the first 10 years is 43,160 ringgit and 3 cents. And for the future value for the next 5 years, we will be using the same formula, which I equals to 0.07 divided by 6, and for the N equals to 6 multiplied with 5, which is 30. And we will substitute the information into the future values formula. So, the amount at the end of the investment for the next 5 years is 61,060 ringgit and 73 cents. Next, for the question 1B, based on the question, we need to find the amount of the down payment that he needs to pay for the property. From the question, we find the down payment percentage is 10% and the purchase price is 415,000. To find the down payment, we need to multiply down payment percentage with purchase price. And the amount of the down payment is 45,000. Next, for the question B to Roman, how much should you invest today to have enough money for the down payment? From the question, we find S equals to 45,000 ringgit, nominal interest rate K equals to 6.53%, frequency of conversion M equals to 2, the interest period T equals to 10 years, and P is referred to the amount that he should invest today to have enough money for the down payment. And for this question, we will be using future values formula, which is I equals to 0.0653 divided by 2, and N equals to 2 multiplied with 10, which is 20. And we substitute all the information given into the formula, and the amount that he should invest today to have enough money for the down payment is 23,667 ringgit and 34 cents.
Question 2A. Based on the question, find the value of R. So first, we need to find the value for the first 3 years. So we need to find the I value using the formula K over M. You will get 0.05 over 12. And value using the formula M times C equal to 12 times 3, you will get 36. And then we substitute the value into the formula compound interest as equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. Our principal is 7,000 because that's the amount that we invested first. 7,000 bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 to the power of 36. Calculate, we get the answer 8,130.31 cents. After that, we need to find value for the rest of the period. So again, substitute into the formula compound interest as equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. Our S is 9,460 equal to our principal 8,130.31 cents bracket 1 plus R over 4 to the power of 4 times 2. Now, we need to let R alone because we need to find the percentage. So, the power of 8, we need to move to the other side. So, you will get 1 plus R over 4 equal to square root of 8, 9,460 over 8,130.31 cents. And then, we move the rest of the number into the other side, we will get R equal to 8.18%. Now, let's proceed for question 2b. So, based on the question, we need to find the T value and the amount of interest charge. So, we need to find the I value using the formula K over M. You will get 0.0425 divided by 12. And also the N value using the formula M times T, you will get 12T. Substitute into the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. So, our S is 80,360, which is our accumulated amount, and our principal is 65,000, since that is a loan that we made. Bracket 1 plus 0.0425 divided by 12 to the power of 12T. Now, let 65,000 bring to the other side. So, you will get 0.003541667 to the power of 12T equal to 1.236307692. So, now we can see that 12T is our coefficient. So, to solve the problem, we need to use loan. So, whatever that you do for this side, you also need to do for the other side. So, since we put loan for this side, we also need to put loan to the other side. So, based on the law of the logarithm, the power of 12T we can bring in front. So, 12T loan 1.003541667 equal to loan 1.236307692. So, let the T alone. We will get T equal to loan 1.236307692 divided by 12 loan 1.003541667. You will get T equal to 5 years. To find the interest charge, we need to use the formula I equal to S minus P. So, you will get 80,360 minus with 65,000, and you will get the answer 15,360.
Let's talk about annuity. It's a series of payments made at regular intervals which can be used to model financial obligations such as house rent, mortgage payments, and interest payments on investments. It's divided to two: future value S, which is the amount which current investment will grow or accumulate over time, and another annuity is the present value A, which is the sum that must be invested at the beginning of an investment period to guarantee the desired payment in the future. Here is shown the formula for future and present value.
For part B, question 1a, I is interest rate per period. To find I, K must be divided by M. And we got 0.054 divided by 2 equals to 0.027 for the interest rate. For the monthly payment, N must be multiplied by T. And we got 2 multiplied with 2 years and 6 months equals to 25 for the monthly payment. Substitute all that in the future value of any P formula, and the future value at the end of investment period is equals to 28,045 ringgit and 33 cents. For question B, we are using a present value of annuity formula. Given I, interest rate per period K must be divided by M equals to 0.044 divided by 12, and the monthly payment M must be multiplied by T, which is 12 multiplied by 6 equals to 72, and minus with 50 since she already paid for the 50 payments. And we got 22 for the monthly payment. Substitute all that in the formula. The balance to be repaid is equals to 50,009 ringgit 31 cents.
This is the next question for part B. Based off the question, these are the values obtained. The loan amount is A equals to 240,000 ringgit. The monthly payment amount R is 3,146 ringgit and 88 cents. K is 4.5% and M is 12 since it's compounded monthly. For 1 Roman, substitute value K and M to get the I, the interest rate per period, which will be 0.045 per 12. Number of equal payment is the value of N. Therefore, we can substitute all values obtained into the present value formula. Since N is to the power of a value, we can use ln. After the calculations, we will get N, number of equal payments required, is equal to 90. For 2 Roman, how much should Nelidia pay on 11th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? To get the 11th payment, we can use the future value formula S. Substitute values obtained from the question. Therefore, the outstanding arrears is equal to 35,272 ringgit and 8 cents.